On behalf of Team Success Gyan, a big thank you for registering for Reality Show Super Speaker Season 2. Hunt to find India's next best speaker. I'm Surendran Jaishekhar, founder and CEO of Success Gyan. This video is going to be 9 minutes long. I want your undivided attention for the next 9 minutes. We're going to cover 3 aspects in this video. Season 1 highlights why Success Gyan is running Super Speaker, how you can participate in Season 2, how by just participating you will go through a life transforming journey, what will happen to the winner of Season 2, how you can earn 10 lakhs and become a speaker on Success Gyan stage, and we are going to wrap it up with some frequently asked questions. Before that, a little background about Success Gyan. Success Gyan is India's leading platform for personal and professional development. Our mission is to inspire, educate, empower 100 million people to be the best version of themselves in every area of their life. How do we do this? We run a lot of these one-day free summits. Super Growth Summit, Business Growth Summit, Trainer Growth Summit, Career Growth Summit, Women Growth Summit. All these summits are completely free. Initiative very close to our heart is the 8 p.m. learning hour. At 8 p.m. we want to make it the learning hour in India. So what do? Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have a brand new podcast in Success Gyan podcast getting launched. Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have a brand new video on Success Gyan YouTube channel. Because our goal is to make 8 p.m. the learning hour. Our big vision is to make India the training capital of the world. At Success Gyan, we truly believe the best teachers and trainers are from India. We really want to help these teachers and trainers to become world class so that eventually the world can come and learn from us. By you participating in Super Speaker Season 2, you're helping us live our mission. As I told you, the first part, why we are doing Super Speaker. I'm sure you would agree that we are living in a negative world. You open a newspaper or listen to a news channel, most of the things we hear is negative. At Success Gyan, we said, why can't we run a reality show where participants post their definition about success, they post about inspiring stories. Because when their friends and family see such stuff in their newsfeed, it's going to inspire them. The first reason why we want to run Super Speaker is to inspire our community. Second reason, after COVID, the training and coaching industry is massively growing in this country. It is predicted to become a $350 billion industry in the coming years. Having said that, anyone can call themselves a trainer or coach. So at Success Gyan, we said, why can't we run a reality show so that we can showcase to the trainers and coaches in the country what it takes to become truly world class. That's the second reason why we are running Super Speaker. The third reason, we're also looking for world class trainers and coaches. Through this reality show, I'm sure we'll be able to identify a lot of great talent. That's the third reason why we are running Super Speaker. Last year, Season 1 had 40,815 participants from across the world. From 40,815, 250 people moved to round 2 and we call them Super 250. And the Super 250 also participated in an event called Inspirathon, where these people said a 2-minute inspiring story non-stop in a 12-hour marathon event, and we created a world record. From Super 250, 100 people moved to round 3. From round 3, 10 people moved on to finals. This was done through public voting and through our jury. The finals happened on April 9th. It was live telecasted in our YouTube channel. From the 10 people, Varun Mehta was crowned Season 1's title winner. If you have not seen the finals, I would urge you that subscribe to Success Gyan YouTube channel and go watch Super Speaker Season 1 final. It's a 3-hour phenomenal event. That was Season 1. How to participate in Season 2 of Super Speaker. All you have to do is take your mobile phone and shoot a 90-second video on what success means to you or your definition of success. Once you shoot the video, we want you to upload this video in any of your social media handles. You might have a Facebook account or an Instagram account or a YouTube or a LinkedIn or Twitter. In any of the social media platforms, we want you to upload this video. While you're uploading this video, the following text has to be mentioned when you're uploading. I'm super excited to be part of Success Gyan's new reality show, Super Speakers Season 2. India's only reality show curated to inspire and impact the community. Along with this, the following 3 hashtags. Hashtag Success Gyan, hashtag Super Speaker, hashtag Speak for Success. Don't worry, you don't need to remember this. You're going to get an email from our team with these details. Also, you'll get a WhatsApp with the details. Plus, we'll also give you a link. Once you upload this video, we want you to click the link of the form and mention your details plus where you have uploaded this video. That URL needs to be mentioned in this form. This is the only way our team can identify your video. This is how you participate in round 1 of Super Speaker Season 2. Now, from round 1, 1000 people are going to move to round 2 and we call this Super 1000. Now, how is our team going to evaluate your videos? We're getting thousands of videos from across the world. There are 5 criteria how we are going to shortlist your video. First, we look for your energy in the video, your connection with the audience, your flow of content, your authenticity, and your overall message. These are 5 criteria how my team is going to shortlist from the thousands plus of videos. 1000 people are going to go to round 2 and we are going to call it Super 1000. The final list of qualification of Super 1000 will be announced on August 15th, Independence Day. If you're watching this video, your first goal is to be part of Super 1000 and qualify for round 2. If you're Super 1000, you're the top 1000 in the country, top 1000 best speakers in the country. So that should be your goal. So after this video, I want you to immediately shoot this 90-second video. Now what happens after you become part of Super 1000? With the Super 1000, we plan to create a Guinness Book of World Records. This is one of the things we are planning for this season 2. From Super 1000, 250 people are going to move to round 3 and we are going to call it Super 250. All this is going to happen online. From Super 250, 10 people are going to go to the finals. Now, this qualification from 250 to 10 is going to happen through public voting and by our jury. And the finals will be a physical event. And for season 2, every finalist, all the 10 finalists will get a 3.5 lakh worth of scholarship of Success Gyan courses. And for season 2 runner-up, the cash prize is 5 lakhs. And the winner of season 2 will get a 10 lakh cash award, will get the title Super Speaker Season 2 title winner, plus he'll become a Success Gyan speaker, where Success Gyan will start promoting them. I'm sure now you're really excited. As I told you, your goal if you're watching this video is to shoot that 90-second video and target being part of Super 1000 and move to round 2. Now, some of the questions people normally ask. How long should the video be? As I told you, the video should be 90 seconds. If your video crosses 90 seconds, you will be disqualified. We won't take your video for qualification. So the video which you're going to shoot should be from 76 seconds to 90 seconds. So anything less than 76 seconds or above 90 seconds, we will not take it for qualification. You need to be 18 years or above to participate in Super Speaker Season 2. And you have to be an Indian living anywhere in the world. This reality show is only for Indians. You might have other questions and the video has to be in English. That's a normal question people ask. This is Super Speaker Season 2 is English. The video has to be completely in English. If you have any other question, go to superspeaker.com. We have a section called FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. If you have any other query, you can email us at superspeaker@successgyan.com and my team will respond to your email. If you're watching this video, for some of you, you might have never shot a video. This is your chance to break that barrier. Shoot that video, not for you. Because I will guarantee you, once you upload the video, within the next few days, someone whom you don't know will reach out to you and thank you for saying your definition of success. Because your video might inspire them. For inspiring friends and family and the community, participate in season 2 and shoot that video. I really wish all the best and I want you to qualify for Super 1000. And your name should be in the August 15th list when we announce for Super 1000. All the very best wishes from Team Success Gyan. This is Surendran Jaishakhar signing off. Keep inspiring.